Morning children, till now you have studied about the physical features of India as well as the size and location of India. Now we'll begin with the chapter 4, that is your climate. In this chapter you study about the climate of India, what kind of climate India have, as well as the weather forecasting conditions of India, weather conditions of India, as they are the part of the environment, how they affects the climate of the India. See, there are three terms basically, that is your weather, season and climate. Weather remains same for 1 or 2 hours. Example, that is when you wake up in the morning, early morning during summers also, at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, it's quite cool. Cool weather, pleasant weather, okay? And when the sun rises up, when the temperature rises up and the day starts increasing, so the temperatures also start increasing. That is, temperature is not the same as 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning and 9 o'clock at that time or 10 o'clock. So it is more hot in comparison to the 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning. So this is called as the weather, change of the weather from 1 hour to 2 hour or 3 hours. Next comes your season. Season is, that is, it remains same for 1 month or 2 months or a couple of, you can say couple of months also. Example, your summer season, extreme summers, that is May and June. Your spring season remains only for 1 month, that is your March. Autumn season is different for different trees, but it generally comes after your rainy season. Your rainy season remains from June end till your September, mid-September. So this is the season, okay, that remains for 1 month or 2 months. Next comes climate. Climate remains same for 30 years. After 30 years, it starts changing. See, when I was of your age, we used to start wearing blazer at the month of the November and month of November, okay. At that time it was quite cold during winters, but now you start wearing it in the month of the December, okay. So this is the change of the climate. See, the elements of weather and climate are same, that is your temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. Precipitation means that is the type of the rainfall. That is rainfall in the form of water, snowfall in the solid form and your even water vapors. These are the types of the precipitation. So that is the elements of the weather and the climate. These are all the elements of weather and climate. They remain the same for both of them. See, now the world is divided into many climatic zones, okay, many climatic regions it is divided. The climate of the India is monsoon type of the climate, okay. Monsoon type of climate means that is the it is not very hot and not very cold, but it has different characteristics. In some area, that is if you go to the southern part of the India, coastal areas, they have moderate type of climate, and if we come to the northern part of India where we are living, here we have extreme type of climate. That is winters are very cold and summers are very hot. That is in this case we can take the examples of Rajasthan. In the Rajasthan, the temperature rises to 54 degrees Celsius. Whereas at the same time in Jammu and Kashmir, in Dras sector, it remains it remains minus 45 degrees Celsius. So see the difference in the temperature. In the Rajasthan it is 54 degrees Celsius, and in the Dras sector of the Jammu and Kashmir it is minus 45 degrees Celsius. So this is the variation in the temperature. So India have varieties of the temperature and the precipitation, level of precipitation in the India. We have areas also where the temperature reaches in the minus also, and the temperature reaches very high also. In the book it is given on page number 27. You can come to your book. That is right hand side, second paragraph. The summer mercury occasionally touches 50 degrees Celsius in some parts of Rajasthan desert, whereas it may be around 20 degrees Celsius in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir, and in the Dras in Jammu and Kashmir it reaches to minus 45 degrees Celsius, whereas at the same time in Thiruvananthapuram it is 22 degrees Celsius. Similarly, other contrast is also given in the book, that is in the Rajasthan. During the day, the temperature Rajasthan during the day it is 50 degrees Celsius, and during the night it is 15 degrees Celsius. Because in the desert area, what is there? That is desert is made up of the sand. Sand is a bad conductor of heat. It escapes the it absorbs the heat quickly also, and it loses the heat also. So that's why during the day the temperature increases, and during the night the temperature decreases. That's why during the summers also, people, those who are living in the desert areas, they used to wear, that is, they used to take quilts at night. See, there is variation not only in the temperature but also in the precipitation. The Himalayas, it receives the rainfall in the form precipitation in the form of the snowfall, where the plain areas receive it in the form of the rainfall. Where you can see in Meghalaya, the rainfall is rainfall is above 400 centimeter. The wettest place of the world, that is Mausoleum, it is found in the Meghalaya only. And the second number is of the Cherrapunji, whereas Rajasthan receive rainfall that is less than 10 centimeter. Another variation is that all over India it receives rainfall from June to September, whereas in Tamil Nadu it receives rainfall only in October and November. And during that duration, cyclones also occur in the Bay of Bengal. And even there is variation in the, due to this variation in the precipitation and the temperature, there is variation in the climatic conditions also. In the coastal areas, because of the presence of the sea over there, the temperature remains moderate, almost same throughout the year. In the winters also it remains 30-32 degrees Celsius in the summers, and in the summers also it remains 33, 34, 35 degrees, not more than that, okay, because of the presence of the sea around it. Whereas we are living in the northern plain of the India, northern part of the India, there the temperature is extreme, both in summer as well as in the winters also.